welcome back to my channel, and I wanted to start off this new series which all of you all know. This is called the Monthly Favorite series, and I really wanted to start it off, so I thought I will start it off today. And so today we will be talking about my April favorites. I don't really have a lot of April favorites, but I do have some, so let's just jump into it. So the very first product that I've been loving the past month is this hairspray. I am absolutely in love with this hairspray. This one is by Schwarzkopf. It's called Schwarzkopf Professionals Oasis Plus Sparkler Finish Shine Spray, Spray Brilliant. Okay, so this basically comes in various holds. This one that I have is the number 1, which has light control. So this is a hairspray which kind of gives shine to your hair, and at the same time it also provides a little bit of hold so that your hairstyle can hold on for a longer period of time. But I don't really like those kind of hairsprays that make your hair really rough and straw-like, and I mean this is not my cup of tea. So I ordered this one and I quite like it. It gives the right amount of shine to the hair and makes them look a lot more healthy, and at the same time it also makes my hair quite soft and takes care of the frizz to some extent, I would say. So yeah, I've been loving this. Next product that I am loving is this coloring book by Philosophy. This one is called Supernatural. I really love this. Number 1, why I love this is because this is so teeny tiny. You can really easily carry it in your pocket and take it everywhere you go. And the other thing why I like it is because of the color selection. They have included, let me just open it. Okay, so this is how it looks like in person. I love the color selection. As I said, they have included really nice and neutral colors, something that would suit almost every skin tone. They also have included this mirror here, so that really helps. I love that they've included 2 eyeshadows. Okay. They've included these 2 eyeshadows. Then there are 2 lip glosses, there is a cream blush, there is 1 powder blush and 1 contouring or bronzing powder. I love the color selections. As I said, these are very neutral and very versatile colors. Almost all kind of complexions can work around with it. Probably not, this would not work with someone with really dark complexions because I think the colors won't really show up. But other than that, I love the quality, I love the pricing, I love the packaging. So it has been on my favorite list this April. Okay, so next favorite is, I would say, a cult favorite of many people out there. This is nothing new. It's the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. I absolutely love the Volume Express Mascara by Maybelline. I used to use it a lot earlier, but then I think I got bored of it and I tried a lot of other mascaras and I totally forgot about it. But then when I recently ran out of mascara, I went to the shop to get me one, and I saw this one, I picked it up, and I've been loving it again. And I was like, how have I been living without this? This is an absolute beauty. You have to have this mascara in your makeup stash to complete it. So this has been in my favorite list. Next favorite item is more of a necessity for summers. I mean, we all wear deodorants and perfumes, but I am someone who doesn't really like wearing strong fragrances. Plus, I don't really like spraying a lot of alcohol-based perfumes or deodorants on myself. So, on daily basis, what I use and what I've been loving is this Nivea Whitening Smooth Skin Roll-On Deodorant. It has licorice and avocado extracts. It says it whitens your underarms as well, which is an added bonus, but I don't really see any changes in my underarms as such. But I love it. It has a very fresh, very soothing, very mild fragrance which lasts all day and keeps you fresh. It doesn't really, the fragrance is not what everyone around you would also sniff the moment you would cross them. but it is something that would make you feel fresh throughout the day. It would not make you sweat like a pig, and I mean it really does work. So this is something really nice, and this is roll on and it doesn't really have alcohol, so that really helps. So yeah. So the next item is this hand cream by Nyasa. So this is their what is it called? This is Under the Ocean hand cream with almond butter and seaweed extract. Firstly, I love the packaging. It's very sturdy, it's very simple, very practical, and oh my god, I love the fragrance. It's soft, I mean it's really fresh and sort of citrusy, I would say. Not really citrusy, but it has some citrus, punch thrown in. But it smells amazing. It smells really fresh, and it works really well. So let me just show you. The pump dispenser is really handy. It really controls the amount of product that you want. And see, it's not very heavy, it's not very light either, but the best part about it is the fragrance. I absolutely love the fragrance, and it is always lying on my bedside table, and I'm always using it. I've been using it since the past few days, and I am addicted. The next product is not really a beauty related item, but this is what I've been really loving, and I've been using it, or I've been burning this every day since the past 4 or 5 days, I would say. And this is what I'm talking about. I am talking about this fragrance oil by Nyasa. This is in the fragrance. Okay, it's like the name is Like Fresh Cut Grass. Okay, it's called Like Fresh Cut Grass with Morning Dew, and the name says it all. This is absolutely refreshing, absolutely fresh scent. I keep it in my kitchen or in my drawing room in the oil dispenser. No, not the oil dispenser, oil diffuser. So I keep it there, and it fills my entire apartment. Oh my god, this smells heavenly, heavenly. The first thing I do when I get up in the morning is I burn the oil diffuser. So that's it for my April favorites, guys. I hope that you guys liked the favorites that I have, and if you have been using any of these items, or even if you have any favorites for the month of April, just let me know, comment below. And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and do share it with your friends if you want, and hit the subscribe button down below, and please support me in this new venture of mine. And yes, I will meet you guys soon. Until then, you guys stay beautiful and stay blessed.